Hello guys, today in this video I'll be showing you a border layout in Java, and now let's begin. First I'll create one new class and I'll set here demo. Okay, now here side here I'll create one public demo. Okay, new demo. Now I'll set one frame. I'll make one frame, JFrame, new frame, border layout. Okay, now I'll set the size of my frame. 550 width and 550 height. Okay, now I'll set the layout. Frame dot set layout new border layout. Okay, now I'll Control Shift O. Okay, now frame dot set visible true. Now I'll run my code here. Okay, I have my layout. This is my layout. Now I'll set the panel. I'll give 4 panel inside the frame, and z panel equals to new z panel. Okay, now panel dot set background. I'll give the background color of my panel dot red. Okay, so Control Shift O. Now panel. Okay, now I'll add to the frame dot add panel comma border layout dot north. I'll give the top of it. Okay, now I'll run this code. Okay, I have the panel that is in red color at the top of my frame, and I'll give the preferred set size. Frame dot set preferred size new dimension. I'll give the width and height. Okay, 250 comma 200. Let's set it. Okay, now run. Okay, I have my panel that is in red color. Okay, I'll just set it 50. No, 150 and 100. I think 100 will be better. Okay, now again I'll set another panel, and I'll give the panel name panel 1 equals to new z panel. Okay, now panel dot set background color dot green. I'll set it to green. Okay, now frame dot add panel 1 comma border layout. This code will help me to add my panel to the frame. Okay, now what is happening here? Z panel 1 z panel. Okay, I have made one mistake, that is panel spelling. Okay, now what I have done, panel dot okay north and south panel name panel 1. This is panel 1. Okay, now I'll run this code. Okay, I have now another panel, and now I'll give its size panel 1 dot set preferred size, new preferred size, new dimension 150 comma 100. Okay, now I'll run it. Okay, I have now another panel that is at the bottom of my frame. Now just I'll copy this and I'll paste for another panel, that is my panel 2, panel 2, panel 2, and here I'll give panel 2 and I'll give now east. Okay, east, and the color is blue. Okay, now I'll run the code. Here it is. Now I'll give another code. I'll give now another panel, and that panel is panel 3. Okay, panel 3, panel 3, and the panel 3 color will be orange. Maybe is there orange color? Okay, orange, and I'll give this to west side, and I'll run this code. Okay, I have the new panel at the west side, and at the east side I have the blue panel. Now again I'll give the another panel, and that is panel 4, and I'll just rename the panel name to panel 4, and I'll give the color here to cyan. Okay, now that this panel will be at the center of my frame. Okay, now I'll run it. Okay, here it is. This is our border layout in Java Swing using AWT and using Java Swing framework. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.